If you're seeing the chat is currently unavailable in your region message on Roblox, there are a couple of steps you can try. First, make sure you don't have a VPN enabled on your device or browser, since this can sometimes trigger region issues. If turning off your VPN doesn't solve it, the next step is to contact Roblox support directly. To do this, log into your account on roblox.com, then replace home in the URL with support to reach the Contact Us page. Fill in your username, first name, and email, then select your device type, for example, PC. Under the Help category, choose something like Technical Support or How To, and then in the subcategory, pick the most relevant option or just select Other. In the description box, explain clearly that you're unable to use chat because of the features currently unavailable in your region error. Submit the form to open a support ticket and then wait for Roblox to respond. They may follow up with questions before resolving the issue. That's really all you can do on your end. Disable VPN, submit a support ticket, and wait for their team to review your case.